Today, our topic is why reading will change your life. Reading is one of the most powerful tools we have to grow, learn, and transform ourselves. It is not just about entertainment or passing time. It is about opening doors to new worlds, ideas, and possibilities. When you read, you are not just looking at words on a page. You are engaging with the thoughts, experiences, and wisdom of others. This simple act can change the way you see the world, the way you think, and even the way you live your life. Let me explain why reading is so important, and how it can truly change your life. First, reading expands your mind. When you read, you are exposed to new ideas, perspectives, and ways of thinking. This is especially true if you read books from different cultures, time periods, or fields of knowledge. For example, reading a novel set in another country can help you understand the lives and struggles of people who are very different from you. Reading a history book can teach you about the events that shape the world we live in today. Even reading a science book can give you a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the universe. The more you read, the more you learn, and the more your mind grows. This growth is not just about gaining knowledge. It is about becoming more open-minded, curious, and empathetic. Second, reading improves your ability to think critically. In today's world, we are constantly bombarded with information. Social media, news, and advertisements are everywhere, and it can be hard to know what is true and what is not. Reading helps you develop the skills to analyze and evaluate information. When you read a book, you are not just passively consuming information. You are actively engaging with it. You are thinking about the author's arguments, questioning their assumptions, and forming your own opinions. This kind of critical thinking is essential for making good decisions, solving problems, and navigating the complexities of life. Third, reading can inspire and motivate you. Many books are filled with stories of people who have overcome challenges, achieved great things, or made a difference in the world. These stories can give you hope, courage, and determination. For example, reading about someone who started with nothing and built a successful business can inspire you to pursue your own dreams. Reading about someone who faced adversity with strength and resilience can give you the strength to face your own challenges. Books can also provide practical advice and guidance. Whether you are looking for tips on how to be more productive, how to improve your relationships, or how to find inner peace, there is a book out there that can help you. Fourth, reading can improve your mental health. Life can be stressful, and it is easy to get caught up in negative thoughts and emotions. Reading can be a form of escape, a way to take a break from your worries and immerse yourself in another world. It can also be a way to gain perspective. When you read about the struggles and triumphs of others, it can help you see your own problems in a new light. Reading can also be a form of mindfulness. When you are fully engaged in a book, you are focused on the present moment, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Additionally, reading can improve your memory and cognitive function. Studies have shown that reading regularly can help keep your brain sharp as you age. Fifth, reading can improve your communication skills. The more you read, the more you're exposed to different ways of using language. You learn new words, phrases, and ways of expressing ideas. This can improve your vocabulary, writing, and speaking skills. Being able to communicate effectively is one of the most important skills you can have, whether in your personal life or your career. Reading can also improve your empathy and emotional intelligence. When you read stories about characters with different backgrounds and experiences, you learn to understand and relate to people who are different from you. This can make you a better listener, a better friend, and a better leader. Sixth, reading can help you achieve your goals. Many successful people credit their success to their reading habits. They use books as a way to learn new skills, stay informed, and stay motivated. For example, if you want to start business, you can read books about entrepreneurship, marketing, and finance. If you want to improve your health, you can read books about nutrition, exercise, and mental well-being. Reading can also help you stay disciplined and focused. When you make reading a regular habit, you are practicing self-discipline and time management. These are essential skills for achieving any goal. 7th, reading can bring you joy and fulfillment. There is something magical about getting lost in a good book. It can transport you to another time and place, make you laugh, make you cry, and make you think. Reading can be a source of comfort, inspiration, and joy. It can also be a way to connect with others. Sharing a book with a friend or discussing it in a book club can create bonds and deepen relationships. Reading can also be a way to connect with yourself. It can be a form of self-reflection, a way to explore your own thoughts and feelings. Finally, reading can make you a better person. It can teach you about the values of kindness, courage, honesty, and perseverance. It can help you understand the importance of empathy, compassion, and forgiveness. Reading can inspire you to be more curious, more open-minded, and more willing to learn. It can help you see the world in a more positive and hopeful way. In short, reading can make you a better thinker, a better communicator, and a better human being. In conclusion, reading is one of the most powerful tools we have to change our lives. It expands our minds, improves our critical thinking, inspires and motivates us, improves our mental health, enhances our communication skills, helps us achieve our goals, brings us joy and fulfillment, and makes us better people. The best part is that reading is accessible to everyone. You don't need a lot of money or special equipment to read. All you need is a book and the willingness to learn. So, if you want to change your life, start reading. Pick up a book today and see where it takes you. The journey may be challenging at times, but it will be worth it. As the famous writer George R.R. Martin once said, "A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one." So, go ahead and live 1,000 lives. Read, learn, grow, and transform yourself. Your future self will thank you.